Hey guys, it's JT here. Had a awesome week in New Zealand. Took a break from trading, caught up with friends, family. It's really cool. And I guess what I wanted to talk about today was getting back into routine once you get back home. I have been struggling big time, and it's been quite interesting because the week prior to going to New Zealand, I probably had one of the most productive weeks I've ever had. I was disciplined, stuck to my plan. As far as my trading was, it was really some of the best trading I've ever done. And then went away on holiday. It was really cool. It was really cool. It was a good little break. Got super pumped. Came back and found that it was not easy to get back into routine. I found that it was not easy at all just doing those simple things that I was doing on a daily basis. So it's really been a humbling experience for me to have such polarity between the two weeks, before and after the holiday. Before I was on top of the world, I was just charging, massive energy, super aggressive, just dominating, and then came back and got humbled massively. Just no drive, no motivation, and was sort of baffled at why this was. I mean, I was super pumped to come back and just get into it. So I think what's helped me is sort of dealing with this is, the awareness has been huge. In the past, when I've gone through these sort of cycles or phases, I was on autopilot and I was just stuck in the rut, just hating it, not understanding why, really not accepting it at all. But now, after going through these before, having the experience of going through this before, I'm definitely more aware and more accepting. I wouldn't say I was really accepting of the situation. It sucked, to be honest, but more accepting than I was in the past, which I think has helped me move on faster and sort of get out of that trough. So I'm just starting again, really getting back into it. Just trying to do those simple things that I know that I need to do each day. Back testing, top-down analysis, reading of trading books, journaling, reviewing trades, just all that basic stuff. Not being too hard on myself either, because I know that, when I get back into it, I'm going to be flying again, it'll be fine. But beating myself up right now isn't going to make that happen any faster. So definitely being a little more lenient as far as sort of the intensity of focus and how much I'm pushing it. But I think by the end of the week, I'll be back into the swing of things, and it's cool because if I look at it, it might have taken me 2 weeks to get back into things, whereas in the past maybe it took me 3, 4, sometimes a little bit longer, maybe. So it's progress, it's progress. Not the most enjoyable experience, but it's the reality of the situation. You're going to have ups and downs. That's the way it is. And I think trying to fight that doesn't make it any easier at all. Trying to resist that doesn't make it any easier at all. Doesn't help you get through it any quicker either. So that's kind of been my humbling experience of the last couple of weeks. And yeah, definitely in the future, I'm more aware, and I know if I come across this, to be more accepting of it, to know that this too shall pass, and just roll with it. Start doing those things, not taking it too seriously. Start doing those daily things, and get back to it. Cool.